Hello, I'm Rick Patterson. Thanks for coming to my video today. Well, today we're going to talk about how to remove and replace a door handle. Let's get started. Okay, I've got a situation here at this house where there is this kind of a handle, but on the other side it's just a round handle. So the owner of the home cannot turn the round handle, if you will, on the other side because of arthritis. And so we're going to completely replace this handle, this whole set, with a style that has this on both sides. So I've got a Slage brand double-handled and just in the same style as what I'm looking for. So this is what I'm going to use. Okay, the only tools that you're going to need for this job is a cordless drill. This is a Ryobi, and you can find the link below. Also, I have a drill bit set, and you can find this also in the link in the description below. Alright, so what I have is a Phillips bit in the end of this. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the cycle where it turns counterclockwise. I'm going to remove the two screws on the inside, lifting up the handle a little bit there. Doesn't take much. This is a very, very fast job to do. Okay, so I've got this part here. Then what I do here is simply remove this and set it aside. Let me show you what's on the inside here. Now I've got to get the closer out. So what I'm going to do here is the same thing. Now I'm going to remove the closer part. And this is again two screws holding this in. So I'm just going to unscrew here. Unscrew here. Remember how this is going. So the flat side is on the inside to me. So when I replace this part again, I'm going to do the same thing, put that back in the same way there. Okay, so I've oriented the opening and closing with the door handles going into the door. So they head out this way toward me. So I've got to make sure when you set this up, the orientation, that you've got the key lock on the outside, not vice versa. So this is what I'm going to do. I am going to take this apart just like so. So I've got three parts to work with. First thing I'm going to do is take this right here and apply this into the door itself. So I'm going to take this and let me walk on the other side. Now what I do is take this like so, make sure it's lined up with the original holes, otherwise you're going to find yourself in a pinch here. Okay, so there's one screw, and you're probably not seeing this as well. Okay, so now I have this. Okay, so I'm going to shine a light in here, and that's what it should look like on the inside, so it's secured. Okay, so I'm going to turn this light off here where I can continue working. So we're going to make sure that we orient the door handle correctly. So this is the outside, this is the keyed area. So I'm going to take this and slip it inside, and I'm going to show you what that looks like now on the inside. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is ready to go. This will all stiffen up, if you will. This will all stiffen up once I get the other handle on. Okay, so I've got that handle in. Now I'm going to situate this where this will fit inside. And sometimes you have to move this lock a little bit until it does set. Okay, so I'm going to use these two screws right here. This will go inside like this. Once everything's lined up, I'm going to go ahead and get it started. That way I don't strip it out. Just a couple of twists. And you've got to seat it just right. There it is. You'll feel it when it goes into the receiving part of that. Then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom here. You'll feel exactly when it catches. If you start screwing it in or push it in and it starts setting, it starts really loose, then you know you've done it wrong. So this right here, screw in. The bottom one will do the same thing. Good there. And good there. Alright, you want to test it up or down on the handle and you're good. Now the strike plate has been modified several times, it looks like, so I'm going to have to do the best that I can in modifying this. So what I've done is I've gone through and removed some of this area right here, and then I'm going to take a 1/4 inch drill bit and place it into the new site. I'm going to go ahead and drill my hole right here just to get me started. Take that off. Alright, I'm going to use a 2.5 inch screw, and here's why. This is an exterior door. There is not going to be a deadlock bolt to this at all. So I'm going to take the strike plate, put it in here, and just drill straight on into the pre-drilled hole. Alright, then I'm going to take the next one, put it straight on in. That should be ready to go. Alright, let's test this out now. It's fine there, so it pulls, opens up. Let me go up the outside. Okay, that's ready to go there. Well, that's all there is to removing and replacing an exterior door set. And so I want to thank you again. If you want to get your own brand new set, make sure that you look in the link below in the description. So 2 things I want to point out before you go. We have added 2 new features to the Handyman Toolbox. One, we have a 1-800-HANDYMAN hotline now. So if you ever get stuck or have a question about your own DIY home projects, make sure that you call the 800 number there and talk to myself or one of our associates as well. Would love to help you out there. The second thing we have is a brand new division of the Handyman Toolbox located here in Wichita Falls, Texas, where we're headquartered. And that is a handyman service. So the Handyman Toolbox now has handyman services available to you that are living in the Wichita Falls area. If you want to see if your area is also included in this or want us to be included in your specific area, let us know through contact us at TheHandymanToolbox.com. Make sure that you visit our website, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. By the way, before you go, I want to encourage you to watch other DIY home improvement videos just like this one, and then come and discover what we're doing on the Handyman Toolbox with features just like these. See you there.